Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing an iPhone. So look here, this is my Facebook apps but not showing here to Marketplace option. So now I am provide a very simple method step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. At first open App Store to search here Facebook apps. You need to first update your Facebook. Now I'm already updated my Facebook. Or you can do first of all uninstall your Facebook apps and then reinstall Facebook apps. Or finally open Facebook, click on to profile option, to setting icon, click on to tab bar, customize the bar. Look here, my marketplace is hidden, just click on to pin. Okay, and now check, now finally showing it to my marketplace. So that's it, that's how you can do it.